In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Telegram videos without TeraBox using only Telegram itself. This is a quick and simple method if you want to avoid third-party cloud links and just stream the video directly inside Telegram web or the official Telegram desktop app. It's useful for anyone who wants a faster, safer, and more convenient way to view videos shared in chats or channels. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your internet browser and go to Telegram web, or if you prefer, download and install the official Telegram desktop app on your computer. Both options let you access your Telegram account and watch videos without needing to go through TeraBox or any other third-party service. Once you're signed in, go to the chat, group, or channel where the video was shared. You can use the search bar if you already know the name of the chat, or just scroll through your recent conversations until you find the post. When you locate the video file, take a look at it carefully. In many cases, Telegram will allow you to stream the video right away. If the video does not start playing immediately, you may see a download arrow on the file. Click that download arrow first so Telegram can prepare the file for playback. After that, click the play button to start watching the video directly inside your browser window or desktop app. The best part is that you do not need to open any external cloud storage links, and you do not need to wait for a separate website to load. Everything stays inside Telegram, which makes the process much easier and more secure. If the video is large, give it a few moments to buffer or load properly before pressing play. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable so the stream runs smoothly. Once it starts, you can watch the video normally, pause it, resume it, or even rewind if needed. This is especially helpful for channels that upload tutorials, clips, or long-form videos because you can access them instantly without extra steps. So, to recap, open Telegram web or Telegram desktop, go to the chat or channel with the video, click the download arrow if needed, and then hit play to watch it directly in Telegram without TeraBox. It's fast, simple, and it keeps everything in one place. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.